Hello Club and Resort Chefs, Lance Cook here again. I want to talk about menu collaboration. So it's always tough to have yourself and your sous chef sit down to talk about upcoming menu concepts, as busy as we all are. So this is something I developed out of necessity and I want to share with you. So we change our menus every 6 to 8 weeks and I found this tool to be very useful. So Google Sheets obviously is a share file, and as we open it up, this file is called Menu Changes. That collaboration is required, and I'm not so worried about the format. So if the appetizer section gets full, then we just add another line and we keep going. But everything's broken down into sections. You'll see that each font color is different, so you can tell who's inputting the idea. You'll see my font color is black, Tim's is red, Scott's is blue, and Arturo's is green. So Tim contributed a French onion dip for an appetizer. Arturo contributed salmon cakes with a mango gazpacho and pea tendrils for a garnish. As I utilize these ideas, I put a check mark, and then I also put a strike through the item. I don't ever erase the item because I could always use that at a later time as a derivative from that original dish. So you'll see as I scroll down, there's a lot of contributions and collaboration for the different menu items. Every section is broken down, and when their dish is utilized in an upcoming menu, they feel ownership of that item. Just another way that technology makes our life a little bit easier.